Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacquelyn Lopez, and today we're kicking off 12 days of Christmas crafts. Make sure that you are subscribed because all you need to do is come back every day from today until the 29th, and I will have a brand new DIY for you. Make sure that you follow me over on Instagram as well because I have a group of ladies that are coming along with me to do the hashtag 12 days of Christmas crafts. Join us along as well. Post your videos, tag us on Instagram, and we'll be more than happy to share and show the love. I'll leave all of their information in the description box down below. And to kick off, we're going to be doing a countdown to Christmas DIY. So let's just get started. The only supplies you're going to need are this countdown to Christmas wall art from Walmart and a mirror or any background you want to use for this. You're also going to be needing some scissors. So first we're going to open up our package and then we're going to cut out all of our decals. This will make it easier for us to play on whatever background we're going to be using before we start adding them. These are repositionable, so if you don't get it the first time, it's perfectly okay. Just peel them back off and peel them back on. So first I'm going to set up kind of my mock trial because I am working with a very small surface since this is what I wanted to use. I wanted to use this very small mirror. So I'm going to be doing 4 rows of numbers, but it does take me some trial and error to get the number set up correctly. I don't need them to be perfect and the same number on each line because again, this is just for my house. This is a quick and easy DIY. Oh, how I wish it would have been this quick. But once you have your layout all set up, all you're going to do is remove the backing, kind of like you would a sticker, and you're just going to peel it on. I am going to be using my trusty Hobby Lobby gift card that I use to make tassels, by the way. I'm just going to squeegee out any air bubbles just so that it has a little bit more professional look. I don't mind that it looks a little frosted. It looks this way because I am doing it on a mirrored background. But if you were to do this on like a piece of wood or pretty much any other background, it doesn't look that way. I don't mind the look of this because I wanted it to be on a mirror. And again, this is just for my home. I think it looks just as beautiful than if it had been on any other background. And that's how simple this DIY is, and I think it's a very high payout because it looks absolutely beautiful, and this is quick, easy, and inexpensive. Suggestions I have for backgrounds are you can buy an 11 by 14 frame from the dollar store if you do not want to use a mirror or don't have a mirror you can use. You can also use any piece of wood, the back of any other sign that you have in your home, and it's that quick and easy. You can add the snowflakes that came along with it. I didn't want to use them. And then for the countdown, they did have this wreath that covers around the number, but I didn't like the color green that it was, so all I'm going to use is this little red bow to mark down my days. If you want more DIYs, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel because again, I'm going to be doing a new DIY for the next 12 days. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. I will have bonus videos along the way. Also, go to the description box down below. I'm going to have a link to all of the ladies that are going to be joining me on this hashtag 12 days of Christmas crafts. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and come along for the next 12 days. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.